we'll guide you through how to send files in Dropbox easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account details if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to send. Hover over it, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. If you want to send a link instead, look for the Copy Link option in the same window. This will allow you to share the file via a link, which can be pasted into an email or message. You can also set permissions for the file by clicking on the Settings icon, allowing you to decide if they can view, edit, or comment on the file. Once you're happy with the settings, click Send, or Copy Link, and your file is on its way. Remember, sharing folders lets your recipients view and download everything inside, so make sure you're sharing just what you need. If you're sending large files, Dropbox handles them effortlessly, but ensure your recipients know they might need enough storage space on their end. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.